Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Capricorn. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation. So this is for your daily energy, Capricorn. This is for your career situation, and this is for your love energy. And I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So that will be your general guidance, what you can do every day that will help us to achieve that harmony and balance in our life, guys. So let's start with the daily reading, Capricorn. For your daily reading, it is the Star. So with this card, guys, in your situation today, you are having that hope and faith in your situation, in your skills, talents, and in yourself, guys. You have that inspiration to do what you need to do, and you are able to find that balance. You may see some stressful situations, some things may go well, some things may not, but between these good and bad circumstances, you have that harmony and balance, guys. You are able to control your emotions, and you are a very serene person, guys. That is what I see, Capricorn, with this card. So whatever troubles or stressful situations or some harmonious situations that you may have in your life today, you are able to maintain your balance and your emotional state. That is what I see with this card for your daily reading, guys. So let us see what is the card for your career situation. The Hierophant in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you have a very good understanding, that deep knowledge, what you need to do to reach success today. So what is your path, what is your choice that will take you towards success. So you are a person of good understanding in your career situation. So people may come to you for your suggestions, or you may hold an important position in your work, guys. That is also what I see with this card for your career situation, guys. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So with these cards, guys, you may have that understanding, love with this person, that intimacy may be there, but still this person may feel, or you may feel that there is too much control. They want to dominate your decisions, take control of you or that situation, guys. So they are always suggesting what you need to do, how you have to decide on certain things. So you do not like this control they exercise on you, or that person may not like that control they have on you. That is what I see with this card. So let us see what is your oracle guidance, Capricorn, what you need to do today. Chaos and conflict. So this card may relate to our situation, guys. Some questions we may have deep in our minds, what you need to do today. So it will be the answer for that question. So this just means that even that conflicts or struggles that we face in our life, that has its own place, guys. So before reaching that order and harmony in our life, the role of conflict is also important. So the same way in our relationship, when we have that stubbornness is the reason for us to be in this conflict, in this situation, guys. So you need to learn the values, whatever is important to you. You need to get an understanding of that. So if it is negotiable, we can go for that negotiations. But if it is not, if we cannot negotiate, we have to just take time take a pause. So when that higher emotions are cleared, when we when that fight or when we have that arguments, we have to wait for things to clear up before we take that next step. So we need to use that time constructively, guys. That is what this card is about. In our career situation also, sometimes we may feel that our circumstances are chaotic. We do not know which way things will proceed, but we need to understand that this is happening just to shake things up, so we will find the real path towards prosperity, guys. So that is what this card is about. So even these stressful situations are divinely inspired. So right now we may not see it that way, but in time we will understand the truth behind these struggles, guys. So all that is happening is for the higher good. That is what we need to know, and the timing is perfect, and things will unfold in a beautiful way for us, Capricorn. So that is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.